Hey everyone, quick video here for you, and this is how to set the data source location on a Crystal report. What happens normally when you move to a new server, you'll have a you'll have your custom reports, and they're used to going to the old server, so they have a pointer basically heading over there, and you need to actually change that so that it can point to the new instance of SQL Server on the new server. So what we do is this. We can start with a simple report here, this status report. And the way that you do this is, a good thing to do is to actually have all your reports under the ECI shared or the exact shared folder on the server, so they're easy to get to, or some other common place, and gather them all up there. So users can open them using the report viewer, which is in the system manager from the activity menu. But getting right down to it here, telling Crystal where the new data source location is pretty darn easy. What you do is you open your report, and then you go to database, and you go to set data source location. Now in here you can see that there is this old connection here to max dat. And what we want to do is we want to create a new one on our existing server, and then change that so all these tables are looking at the right instance of the right server. So there's a few here, old ones. I'm just going to clean these up, and you might want to do this too, just to kind of trim this out a little bit, because you're not going to use any of these. Okay, so there we go. So then you want to create a new connection. So what you do is you click on the plus sign there to expand it out, and you want to use this, Ole DB ADO. So go in there, click on the plus, and click this one, Microsoft Ole DB Provider for SQL Server. Click next, put in your server name, and then put in a user ID or password, or you could use integrated security. It depends on how you have things set up here. Old way of doing it was to use a username and password called report, which was used often. Another way to do it is to actually use your built-in account for users. So this is a local instance here, so I don't have that credential in here, but on your domain, you would have built-in users or domain users that you could select. For right now, we're going to just go ahead and use report, because that's available here. And that's going to be right down here, that user right there, report. So let's press on. So user ID is report, and fascinatingly enough, the password is report. And then we'll drop this down. We'll select the max sample database, click next, click finish. So now we got this connection to the computer name and the max database, which we're using, which is the exact max SAM database. Now, all you need to do here is just click on the server name, and click on the server name here, and click update. Looks like it's not finding a match there on something. Okay, so what we can do here is this. Then we can expand this out. If you run into that, you have to be more detailed in how you tell it what to do. So we'll start with the customer master. So go down here, select customer master. We'll do it a table at a time. Customer master there. Click update, and then it pops it in there. And then, because that one was really old, so I couldn't find the proper matches. So we'll go part master, update, and then SO detail. SO detail. You can see there's the new computer name right there. Master. And if there's a sub-report, you'd have to do that one too. So back up to order master. Boom, there we go. Click update. So that's a done deal there. So you can close that and then save it, and then you can refresh your report. And let's see if there's a code on here that I know. Maybe 100. Okay, well that one didn't have any data in it, but anyways, you get the idea. It's running now, although it didn't find anything because I put in probably the wrong customer ID there. But so just to recap here, database, open the report, database, set data source location, make your connection using OLADB, and then just click, update, click, update, and that's all there is to it. Take care.